Hey guys, what's up? So I just want to talk about my new logo, basically. So, like, this is my new logo, alright? Now, basically, some people saw it. So basically what I want to be doing is so you know how, here, let me try to get onto his page. YouTube.com. Alright, if you search up Dennis Daily, Dennis or just Dennis, whatever. Right here. So as you can see, he has a Sir Meows-a-Lot plush, which is it's a cat. So basically, I want to get a plush of a penguin, but I want you guys to think of the name. I want it to start with like Mr. like MR, like that, or like Mr. Dot, then blank, whatever you want. So just do that, and that'd be great. And I will also I will like your comment and everything. I'll give you a shout out also. And so I'm gonna be mailing to you guys my old logo that looks like this. I'm gonna mail this to you. So I'm gonna show you how to go onto your YouTube messages. So first you go up to this and then go to your creator studio. Oh yeah, I'm gonna reply to your comment, and I'm going to say check your YouTube messages. So first you do that, then you go to community, go down to messages, and you should see mine. Alright? So if you see mine, just you have to press reply, and then you're going to have to whatever I say, I'm gonna give you instructions to something. So you're gonna reply to that. I'm gonna give you instructions. Yeah. I'm gonna show you what to do. But also, if you don't really want my logo, or whatever, if you don't want a shout out or anything, just tell me. I don't care if you don't want it. But, I will name the penguin that exact name, because I like penguins, as you can see from my Roblox character and my logo. you could see that I like penguins a lot. But yeah, I mean, if you do want my new logo, if you want me to mail you my new logo, I could do that. Or I could do both. I could definitely do both. But yeah, just make sure to give me a suggestion, and I might pick you. So make sure it starts with MR dot and then whatever you want to do, whatever name, MR period, like Mr. And yeah, so just make sure to do that. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.